What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Going to be recording this video all through the iPhone today. Just don't really feel like getting out the camera, but I thought this may be a fun little video to film. So I got an email saying that I sold a new product on Etsy. So we need to go print this off and get it packed. The order total was $27.65. I do not charge shipping. This is for a silk screen coating stand. It's a model that I designed for screen printers. So technically we'll clear roughly $24. I have like $4 to $5 in packing materials and shipping costs. So once we figure out how much it's actually gonna cost to print this, we'll know our profit. But let's go ahead and go downstairs to the 3D printer and get it loaded with filament. So we're heading back to the screen printing area. 3D printing area. It's a total mess in here right now. I need to do something about that. But we're gonna be using the Bambu Lab Carbon, X1 Carbon today to do this print. And I think we actually already have filament in the AMS. I don't know if this is PLA or PETG. I can't tell from the side either here, but either way, it's an indoor print. People are not gonna be using it outdoors, so if it is PLA, no big deal. All right, so no updates. It looks like it's PETG, so it's gonna cost us a little more to make this print, but it's gonna be more sturdy. That'll be good. So I do print this on demand, mainly because I just don't have a need to keep them in stock. Here, I'll show you what they look like though. So basically it's a coating stand that you can literally just put up against a wall here and put your screen on it. So something like so. Sounds crazy how simple this is. You can see what it looks like here on the side, but for some reason that didn't exist for screen printers. So I made it and I've been selling a pretty good bit of them, which is nice. I have the hardest time keeping this file, and for some reason I never save it once I 3D print it, so we're actually gonna have to go into Fusion and get it downloaded again. Also, Fusion on Mac just takes forever to load compared to my Windows machine. I don't know why. Okay, where is this located? Bingo, this is it. So we want to go to 3D print here, select this, change the refinement tab, make sure it's on high at least, and we'll just export it real quick. All right, now in Bambu Lab, we're gonna go up here to prepare. Whoops, already got a file, looks like on here, so we're gonna do new project. Throw that there, looking good. Switch it over to the orange PETG, and we're not in a rush. We could do this in 0.12 millimeter height and make it a little finer. I'm gonna add a wall loop for just extra stability, make it a little stronger too. I've been using this crosshatch infill. This is new from Bambu Lab. It's pretty nice. You can see what it looks like there. It's almost like a gyroid in a way. Really wild looking. So this is gonna cost us $3.26 in material. Of course, we cleared $26 minus, let's say, roughly $5 for shipping, 21. Etsy's cut brings it down to probably like 18 minus, 326, round up to 4. We're still clearing 14 bucks on this for 4 hours of printing and maybe like, I don't know, 5 minutes of preparing the box to ship. Let's go ahead and print it. And we're off to the 3D printer to get the job done. The print is now done. As you can see from the time lapse, there was a little bit of like stringing or something that was going on in the infill, but it doesn't look to have affected the print at all. So yeah, that's good. One thing that was not good on my end was I forgot to put glue down on this, so hopefully this comes off fairly easily. So a lot of people think glue is meant for adhesion, which, I mean, it can be because it gives it a better grip, but it's more so about the releasing. Like the fact that I didn't put glue on this could definitely like just stick and ruin my build plate here in a second. Let's hope that's not the case. It's sticking to it, I can tell. Okay, I heard it pop. Good release. The part looks good. We've got a little cleanup that we need to do on this, and that's just like on the ends here. So you can see I gotta play with the flow settings or something because it's just not completely perfect there. I can get this off though. This is definitely a good part and this will not hurt the integrity, so definitely will be sending this one out. Let's go ahead and get it cleaned up and packed. So I use these 6x6 boxes from Walmart. They seem to work great. I ordered some online. They were a little cheaper and they weren't quite as thick as what you were finding at like Walmart. So I don't know. I just felt like, you know, it's something I can easily go pick up and it'll be fine to pay a little more for the premium of just being able to go and grab them as I need them. So 6x6 fits this one good. We'll put some extra paper in here to make sure it doesn't move around a lot and we should be good to go. So I do have a label that I print for this just to kind of throw in the box that kind of explains how to use this thing, and it's links to a video on my channel. So we're gonna definitely print one of these off. By the way, get yourself a label maker. They will save you tons of time. Also money, because ink's super expensive. Okay, we're now packed. I'm going to weigh this. Cool, 7.8 ounces. Cool, we're good to go. So guys, that is how I print and pack my orders here. So I run this store on Etsy. I'm going to be posting some more stuff on a different website here in the future. More to come on that. But yeah, figured I would just make a little video, a little different than I've done in the past. A lot of people have asked like what my process is, so it's a little more of a personal style. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If so, I'll make more of them. So see you next time.